Hey everyone, Dan here for Tip Tuesday. I have a provider that I was working with, and they were asking if it's possible to use the Surface Hub in portrait mode. And although the Surface Hub's operating system does not rotate at this point, there's an easy way to actually get it working in portrait mode. And if you have interest, feel free to reach out in the comments or on LinkedIn. Here's a tip about using portrait mode specifically in PowerPoint. Hey, it's Dan, and it is Tip Tuesday. Today we are going to look at a quick tip in PowerPoint and using PowerPoint in portrait mode. You can see that I'm in portrait on these slides, and the slides themselves are orientated to the portrait as opposed to landscape. I do this under the View menu, go to Slide Master, and under Slide Master I have slide size. Standard and widescreen are typically what you would choose from, but if I do custom slide, I have the ability to either just custom set or go with letter paper. I can decide whether my slides and my notes are in a particular orientation, and those choices are separate. And then when I click OK, I can either maximize the size or ensure fit on the results. Then when I exit Slide Master mode, you'll notice that my slides are now in portrait mode. If you have a existing PowerPoint, and you do that same thing, so I go under View, Slide Master, and I choose Slide Layout, Custom, just tell it portrait. Ensuring fit will make adjustments where it can to ensure that the information fits on this type of slide. The difference, however, is by ensuring fit, it took my landscape slide and just put it in the center of a portrait-oriented slide. So it would give me room to actually draw or take notes while I'm presenting, but might not be ideal unless you make some modifications to the actual presentation. That's it for today.